Welcome back. As always, I will start with the key message. The key message of this episode is that shamanic practices for altering consciousness and inducing the flow state can enhance cognitive abilities and lead to different kinds of knowing, including insight, intuition, and metaphorical thought. Now over to John. In episode 2, John Vervaeke explores the idea of the flow state, which is a mental state where a person is fully immersed and focused on a challenging task. When in the flow state, individuals feel energized, engaged, and fulfilled, as they use their skills to meet the demands of the activity. This concept of the flow state is not new and has been an integral part of shamanic practices for centuries. Shamanism is a set of psychotechnologies that are designed to alter states of consciousness, enhance cognitive abilities, and gain insight into one's own mind and surroundings. Psychotechnologies can include tools, technology, writing and literacy, mathematics, formal reasoning, language, abstract thinking, and more. Shamanic practices such as sleep deprivation, social isolation, chanting, and the use of psychedelics are all designed to bring about radical changes in the way our brains operate. By changing our mental state, we can see patterns and connections that we may not have been able to see before. The flow state enhances cognition and allows for improved intuition, insight, and metaphorical thinking, which are all important for problem solving and meaning making. When someone is an expert at getting into the flow state, they become an individual that others want to have around, as they can generate metaphorical connections and lead to new insights and solutions. Vervaeke also briefly discusses the collapse of the Bronze Age around 1200 BC, which resulted in a loss of literacy. This highlights the importance of literacy as a powerful psychotechnology for meaning making. Literacy allows us to externalize our thoughts, reflect on them, correct them, and store them independently of our memory. It trains our abstract symbolic thinking, which can be useful for practical purposes. Now over to me again. One thing I have noted that helped me understand the context of John's ideas is the role of social and cultural factors in shaping our experiences of flow and altered states of consciousness. While Vervaeke emphasizes more of the individualistic aspects of achieving flow and using psychotechnologies to alter our consciousness, we are always embedded in social and cultural contexts which shape these experiences. Therefore, flow is always part of something bigger.